Let's look at how to add a video to Google Slides. Incorporating videos into your slides can make your presentations more engaging and effective. Step 1. Open Google Drive and upload the video that you want to use in a presentation. Step 2. Open your Google Slides presentation. Step 3. Click on the Insert tab from the menu bar. Step 4. Click the Video option. Step 5. Click the Google Drive tab and search or navigate to find the video that you want to add to your presentation. Step 6. Click the Insert button. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspace.io.